In a groundbreaking fusion of heritage and innovation, BMW has unveiled the 858 CSL, a Restomod that marries the iconic 8 Series with cutting-edge engineering. This project, which reimagines the E31 8 Series, incorporates a V10 engine, creating a machine that pays homage to BMW's past while embracing the future. The 858 CSL stands as a testament to automotive craftsmanship, with its sleek design featuring a reworked carbon fiber body and modern aerodynamic elements. The design draws inspiration from the classic 8 Series while integrating advanced technology to enhance performance and driving dynamics. The car's striking appearance is further accentuated by its aggressive stance, wide arches, and futuristic LED lighting, creating a perfect balance between nostalgia and modernity. Under the hood, the 858 CSL is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V10 engine, a nod to BMW's motorsport legacy. This engine, derived from the legendary M5 and M6 models, delivers an exhilarating 600 horsepower, making the 858 CSL not just a showpiece but a high-performance machine. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, emphasizing the driver's connection to the car and delivering a pure driving experience that modern automatics often miss. The interior of the 858 CSL is a blend of classic BMW luxury and modern technology. Hand-stitched leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and a minimalist design philosophy create an environment that is both comfortable and focused. The cabin is equipped with the latest infotainment systems, ensuring that while the car harks back to a previous era, it offers all the conveniences expected in a contemporary vehicle. The 858 CSL is not just a tribute to the 8 Series, it represents a new direction for BMW in the Restomod space. It is a car that appeals to collectors and enthusiasts alike, combining the best of BMW's rich history with the latest in automotive technology. With only a limited number of units planned for production, the 858 CSL is set to become a highly sought-after model, blending exclusivity with performance. BMW's decision to revive and modernize the 8 Series in this way reflects a growing trend in the automotive industry where classic models are reimagined with contemporary technology. The 858 CSL is a prime example of how the past and future can collide to create something truly special. It stands as a reminder of BMW's enduring legacy and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. As the Restomod market continues to grow, the 858 CSL sets a new benchmark for what is possible when passion, innovation, and history converge. For BMW, this is more than just a car, it's a celebration of their past and a bold statement about the future of automotive excellence. The 858 CSL is poised to leave a lasting mark on the industry, offering a unique blend of nostalgia and modern performance that few vehicles can match.